Hey everyone! Have you ever been hanging out with a friend from Norway and, after splitting a delicious plate of meatballs, realized you forgot your wallet? Maybe you thought, no worries, I can just send them some money with my phone. But then they whip out their phone and excitedly yell, "Vips it to me." You stare, confused. Vips? What's a Vips? Well, that's what we're here to explore today. Buckle up, because we're diving into the world of Vips, a popular mobile payment app in Norway, and why you, my friend in the US, absolutely cannot use it. So, what exactly is Vips? Imagine a world where sending money to a friend is as easy as sending a text. That's the magic of Vips. Launched in 2015, it quickly became the go-to payment method in Norway. Think of it like a mix between Venmo and Cash App. You can use the app to split bills with friends, pay for online purchases, donate to charities, send money to anyone with a Norwegian phone number. Sounds pretty convenient, right? Absolutely. But here's the catch. Why can't you use Vips in the US? Here's the not-so-fun part. Vips is strictly for Norway. It's like a secret handshake between Norwegians and their phones. There are a few reasons why. Exclusively Norwegian, Vips is linked to your Norwegian social security number and requires a Norwegian bank account. So, unless you're a Viking in disguise, signing up is a no-go. Local focus, Vips is designed for the Norwegian market, integrating seamlessly with local banks and businesses. Expanding to the US would require a whole new infrastructure. Competition is fierce. The US already has a crowded mobile payment scene with giants like Venmo, Zelle, and Cash App. Entering this market would be a huge undertaking for Vips. But wait, there's hope, maybe. While you can't use Vips in the US right now, Vips' parent company, Vips Mobile Pay, merged with a similar Danish platform called Mobile Pay. This merger hints at potential future international expansion, but there's no word on the US yet. Alternatives for sending money in the US. Don't fret, American friends. There are plenty of fantastic options for you to send and receive money with your phone. Venmo, a social media-esque platform for splitting bills and sending money with friends. Zelle, a bank-backed option for secure and instant money transfers between US bank accounts. Cash App, another popular choice for sending and receiving money, with additional features like investing and buying Bitcoin. So there you have it. While Vips might not be an option for you just yet, there are plenty of ways to send and receive money with your phone in the US. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.